Hi guys, you have aching feet, tired feet, sore feet. Are you looking for a new foot massager? Well, I picked one up for myself. I'm going to test it out, but this is how it came. These were in a nice plastic bag that was totally sealed. It wasn't one of those that you just can open the bottom and then reseal it, so that's nice. Everything is brand new. I got this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the video. So these I assume are going to go in here. The cord was completely wrapped like that, very nice, with a twist tie, and it's a nice length of cord. And then the foot bath itself has sealed over there. It says do not use without water. The higher temperature on the surface of a heating element is normal. And up here we have, which was nice, electronic controls here. So we have the temperature up or down, we have red light, it says, so I guess there's lights in there, bubbles, timer, on and off, and then this will be your readout. Don't use without water, forbidden to stand on the port. I love some of the way these instructions come. So inside we have the foot tub. And then I assume that these just go, they fit in there, they snap in. Let's put that down. So I'm just going to press, you just press those into place, and they can be removed so you can clean it pretty easily. And you'll see it's like that. It's got some bubbles, but we'll show it in action. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe up inside. I just do that. It's not that it's dirty, just that, you know, and I'll probably fill it up with water, rinse it out a few times. But anyway, I'll let you know how it works. I'll put the link to it if you want to try it. If you do have this one, let me know how you like it. What do we have here? We have, is that a drain? Yeah, drain right there. So you can easily just bring it over and let it drain. And then on the bottom we have the feet there. So very nice, and on even, you know, they're non-skid feet. And then you've got this to keep your unit clean when not in use. So far so good. I'll let you know. I'll show a little demonstration when I get it all set up and use it. Just wanted to bring it to you. And this is by TENKER. And you can find it on Amazon. It comes in different colors. It comes in blue and I think green. I like the purple. So anyway, and so yeah, it has the purple on the bottom, so it looks nice. Anyway, I'll try it out. It's a good size too for big feet. The cover back on. There we go. All right, have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.